Hello everyone, today I'll be making roasted chicken with vegetables and potatoes. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I have parsley and garlic. I have here my full chicken which I've already washed very well. I have mixed spice and also salt. So first of all, I'm just going to be roughly grind this parsley and the garlic together. So this is what I want. I'll set it aside, and now I'm going to be cutting the backbone of the chicken off. I'm just going to take it off because I don't need it, but you can use it if you wish to, but I just don't want this backbone. And then I'm just going to put a small cut through the bone, just like so, and then cut it open just little, not too much, and that's it. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be mixing my vegetables, the chopped garlic and the parsley with the butter and the spices together. So you can use any spice of your choice. Feel free to use any spice you prefer. And then just mix all together. I'll be using my hand. Then make sure I mix everything together very well. So after that, I'm just going to marinate my chicken with this spice. So as you can see, I just opened the skin from the chicken or from the flesh, and then chopped in my ingredients, and I'll use my hand to press it to make sure all the chicken is well marinated. And then after that, I will just set it aside and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I have here carrot, green pepper and onions. I have my Brussels sprouts. Please feel free to use any vegetables or any ingredients you prefer. I have here sweet potato and Irish potato. I'm using the both. And then I have olive oil. So what I'm going to be doing now is just to cut my Brussels sprouts into 2. Just the bigger size. If it's more bigger, you just separate them, cut them into 2 parts. But then you leave the smaller ones because it doesn't take time to cook, as you can see. So that is done, and then after, I'm just going to cut my veggies, also the green pepper and the red pepper, to my desirable size. And then after that, I will just set it aside. And then the carrot, just cut the carrot into your size or any size that you want. And that is done also. So at this point, I'm going to be cutting my onions. I just cut them into big chunks. As I said before, just feel free to do your style or do it the way you want, the sizing that you prefer. And please use any onion of your choice. I'm using both the white onion and the red onion together. And this is done also. So I'm just going to be cutting my sweet potatoes also. If you don't like sweet potato, just use the Irish potato. That's okay, but I'm combining the two. And I'm going to prepare this dish. I'll be baking it and allow it to bake very well, to be very soft. So I'm just going to be adding all the ingredients together in my baking tray. Add the spices, salt, just a little bit of salt because the spices also have salt, and then olive oil, and then just roughly mix all together. And at this point, I'm just going to place the chicken on top of it, and then I'm going to be baking this on 175 degrees on a medium heat because my oven is it can be very high. So this is it. I'll be baking this for about 45 minutes now, and as you can see, oh my goodness, this was super delicious, so easy. The chicken was very juicy, it wasn't dry, and all the vegetables were very softly baked. The potato, everything was on point. It was just perfect. So if today is your first time of clicking to this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for clicking. Please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button. It is absolutely free. Share this video, leave a comment, try this recipe and leave a comment. As you can see, the potatoes, everything was perfectly cooked. I did not add any water. The vegetables produced water on their own, and everything was just perfect. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share, and I will be seeing you all in my next video. Please do take care. Have a lovely week. Stay safe and stay blessed. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.